Hey guys, welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. Today we're looking at the stock Grtx. Grtx, also known as Grtx Therapeutics Incorporated, is a company focused on developing and commercializing a pipeline of novel, proprietary therapeutics that have the potential to improve both treatment and outcomes for patients with cancer, according to their LinkedIn page. The company was incorporated in 2012 and is currently headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania. The stock trades on the NASDAQ exchange, and a transaction can be executed through brokers such as eToro, Capital.com, LaborTex, and many others, all where transactions can be executed for the stock. Currently, there is not sufficient data provided in order to properly identify the fair value of the stock, hence it's hard to determine the valuation of the stock according to Simply Wall Street. By the end of March 2021, Grtx was in 5 hedge funds portfolios, and there were 6 hedge funds in the database with Grtx holdings at the end of the previous quarter, which was Q4 of 2020. Insider Monkey calculations also showed that Grtx is not among the 30 most popular stocks among hedge funds. Grtx shareholders have witnessed a decrease in hedge fund interest lately. Right now, the sentiment for the stock is up 0.12%. However, the message volume is down 13.64%. On Twitter, Blingham Rim Repair said, quote, "Grtx accumulation zone $1.75 to $2, breakout watch past $2.01 with a Q4 catalyst and trading below cash. You can't find a sweeter swing setup. Low risk, high reward. Hashtag print money, hashtag easy double, hashtag do you even double bro?" Now let's see what an established reputable blogger has to say. According to a writer from Simply Wall Street, quote, "Grtx Therapeutics isn't currently generating revenue. We consider it an early stage business. So while we can't look to sales to understand growth, we can look at how the cash burn is changing to understand how expenditure is trending over time. With the cash burn rate up 13% in the last year, it seems that the company is ratcheting up investment in the business over time. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but investors should be mindful of the fact that it will shorten the cash runway. Clearly, however, the crucial factor is whether the company will grow its business moving forward, so you might want to take a peek at how much the company is expected to grow in the next few years. Right now, the revenue is projected to be US $199,230,000 per year by December 30th, 2020, but the earnings are projected to be negative US $55.513 million per year. If we take a look at the past month, you can see the stock has decreased and hasn't really moved since October 19th, and it's pretty much the same thing with the past 5 months and past 1 year, where it's just steadily been on the decline with a huge jump in October 2021. Now let's take a look at an impressive biography of a specific senior management of the company. J. Mel Sorensen has served as Director, Chief Executive Officer, and President of Grtx since 2012. Sorensen serves on the board of several private biopharmaceutical companies as chairman, including OncoFusion Therapeutics, NSAC Therapeutics, and Medincil Biopharma LLC, and he is an advisor to the Biomarkets Consortium of the National Institutes of Health. Dr. Sorensen holds an MB, BCH, and BAO from University College Dublin. Dr. Sorensen's postgraduate education and work has been in the United States, including an internal medicine residency in St. Louis and medical oncology fellowship at the Mayo Clinic, 7 years at the National Cancer Institute as senior investigator in the Cancer Therapy Evaluation Program, and 4 years each with Bayer and GlaxoSmithKline. Dr. Sorensen has served as Director, Chief Executive Officer, and President of Ascenta Therapeutics from 2004 until he joined Grtx. New Enterprise Associates Incorporated is the biggest shareholder in the company and has ownership of about 16.55%. Second and third place have ownership of 11.7% and 9.36% respectively. The top 25 shareholders own 78.6% of the company.
It was a Thursday in 2014. I was 44 years old. I was a few minutes into a financial exam and I placed my hand on my face, then my neck, to ponder a question and felt a small bump. Found out I had stage 4 HPV-related tonsil cancer, which I'll be honest with you was devastating and shocking. When you have to prepare to have radiation, you have to lay on a table, they have to fit a mask very securely to your face. during the process, so you have to get molded basically for this mask.
Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is general in nature and information is taken from simplywallstreet.com. We do not have any sort of recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well guys, thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for making it all the way until the end. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss one of our videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.